All right, I have here a channel subscriber, Davey, came to visit. We're in Lake Mead RV Park and we have to do traditional shots, not in RV, but we are there by RV. All right, na zdravlje.
Na zdravlje.
Yeah.
Ooh, good flavor.
Good, yeah,
flavor,
yeah. No, it's tasty, really.
Yeah.
Hello. I'm here again at Lake Mead campground. Spent last 3-4 days here. And previous 2 weeks I was in Las Vegas in RV Park. Okay, that's my campground. Really nice open space. So like I said, last 2 weeks no poker for me. I posted one session at Boulder Station because that's the closest to the RV park where I'm staying. Strip is too far for me. Not going back to Boulder Station. Once a year it's enough. Oh yeah, I just had a haircut like an hour ago. So it's campground haircut stylist, so don't laugh. So even I didn't play much poker, I had fun. I met some of my subscribers.
Hey, Mr. Vegas. I thought that was you.
Oh yeah. So we have here traditional shots in the RV.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, get it, Marie. Živeli. Živeli. Tasty?
Yeah.
This is Trailer Lady Teresa.
Trailer lady. Yeah. Great. That's what I always wanted to be.
And the trailer man.
Okay,
you.
you're getting wild, so I'm not serving anymore.
Oh.
And we spent some time, chatting, having fun, making a video together. So that was fun. So after doing shots, we decided the smartest move is to go and gamble. So I'm here with the Trailer Lady. We're gonna do some blackjack to test our improved skills. There are only 3 blackjack tables and we found one spot. So Trailer Lady started first. She practiced on basic strategy app all day. She got good scores, so let's see, can she make any money? Double and evil bust. Okay, make it with big bucks, 25. How much you have? Plus 20. Successful. We even cannot pay for the gas with this. Driving big vehicles, big truck, big bucks.
It's all right.
Blackjack is really fun if you're winning. If you can win. But then comes a dealer and kills you, like 21 every hand. So that's how I spent last few days. And then now I have an announcement to make. This is my 96th poker vlog. I also made 83 RV living videos. That is 180 videos in 2 years. That's 2 videos per week. That's a big production. Takes time. For some of you, it's interesting, and I get by comments. I also made some really good friends through these videos. Met a lot of subscribers, and I'm sorry, but I am announcing right now that by the time I make my poker vlog number 100, that's gonna be the last one. Looking from the poker side, my videos are not that exciting because I play small game. I decided to play small game. In old days when I had a good income, I played bigger games. So my games are really not that interesting from the poker perspective. 2 years ago, when I started a trip from San Diego all the way to Vancouver and back, that was interesting, entering every video, new poker room, new casino. It was interesting for me and for all of you. Right now, I'm just staying here in Southern California and maybe Las Vegas a little bit. So we even don't see new locations later down the road. If I enter some big game, I may post a poker vlog. If I visit some new casino, new poker room, and get into action, I'll show you that. So it's not gonna be my last video, but like I said, I'm not gonna call it anymore poker vlog. It's just gonna be videos. Also, I want to round my RV living videos to 100, so I need to make 17 more, and after that also that's going away. So we're gonna continue with, after 100 of each, we're gonna continue with episode 201, whatever that means in the future. Hope you stick around, and I'll see you down the road. Didn't think much lately, so I don't have a top 5 for you, but here's one I heard from Van Morrison. On a golden autumn day returning, when each moment never is the same, sometimes pure joy comes with patience, when I'm waiting on a waiting game. There must be a reason for all this inaction. Does it mean everything has to change? Sometimes I'm looking for perfection when I'm waiting on a waiting game. I am the observer who's observing. I'm the brother of this snake. I am the serpent filled with venom, a god of love and god of hate. There is a presence deep within you. Sometimes they call it higher flame. And when the leaves come tumbling down, remember, I'll be waiting on a waiting game. Waiting on a waiting game. Waiting game.